Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to change clock time, font, and color on iPhone wallpaper. So for you to be able to do this, there is actually a latest iOS version onto iPhone right now, and there are a lot of options to choose from already. So it's going to be really simple and easy to customize, and all you need to do is simply go into your setting of your iPhone, then just scroll to wallpaper. In onto wallpaper, this is going to be selected as your current wallpaper. So you're going to click onto it and that will allow you to do some customization. So you'll just need to simply click on the clock or time and it will open up a menu for font and color. So now by default, there's a couple of different options for the font. So you'll just need to click onto which one you like. Then you could also make it different, like size of the thickness, as well as you can see here, you can play around with that. You could also choose whatever you like right and then, and you could also choose a different color to match it and just choose whatever you like. And then once you're already satisfied with it, you'll just have to head back, just click onto the X button if you have chosen already a color. And then right after, you'll just have to click onto the done button onto the upper part. And that's just basically it onto how to do it. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.